Hello everyone. Today I am going to teach the problems based on JEE Mains and MCET. Let us see the first problem. If alpha and beta are angles in the first quadrant such that tan alpha equal to 1 by 7 and sin beta is equal to 1 by root 10, then here the options are: first option is alpha plus beta equal to pi by 2, second option is alpha plus 2 beta equal to pi by 6, third option is alpha plus 2 beta equal to pi by 3, fourth option is alpha plus 2 beta equal to pi by 4. We can solve this problem by using the verification method. According to the given problem, tan alpha is equal to 1 by 7 and sin beta is equal to 1 by root 10. Given that tan alpha equal to 1 by 7 and sin beta is equal to 1 by root 10. Here we can find the value of tan beta. Let us consider a triangle with an angle beta. This is a right angled triangle. Here sin beta is equal to 1 by root 10, that is opposite side by hypotenuse. Here opposite side is 1, hypotenuse is root 10. From Pythagoras rule, we can find the adjacent side is 3. Now we can write the value of tan beta. Tan beta is equal to, here we know that beta is in first quadrant. In first quadrant tan beta is positive. In right angled triangle tan beta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side, that is 1 by 3. Here first we have to find out the value of tan 2 beta. Tan 2 beta. We know that the formula for tan 2 beta is 2 tan beta by 1 minus tan square beta. Tan square beta. Substitute the value of tan beta is 1 by 3. We get tan 2 into 1 by 3 by 1 minus 1 by 3 whole square, that is 1 by 9. Further simplification, we get numerator is 2 by 3, the denominator is 1 minus 1 by 9, that is 8 by 9. By rearranging, we get the value of tan 2 beta is 3 by 4. The value of tan 2 beta is 3 by 4. Here we have to consider the value of tan alpha plus 2 beta. Alpha plus 2 beta. Here it is in the form of tan A plus B. Apply the formula tan A plus B. We get tan alpha plus tan 2 beta. Tan alpha plus tan 2 beta by 1 minus tan alpha into tan 2 beta. Here tan alpha is 1 by 7 plus tan 2 beta is 3 by 4 whole divided by 1 minus tan alpha. Tan alpha is 1 by 7, tan 2 beta is 3 by 4. Taking LCMs in the numerator and denominator, we get the numerator is 4 plus 21 by 28. The denominator is 28 minus 3 by 28. The denominator 28 get cancelled. Here we have 25 by 25, that is equal to 1. Now we get the value of tan alpha plus 2 beta is 1. Then we have alpha plus 2 beta is equal to pi by 4. Here The fourth option, alpha plus 2 beta is equal to pi by 4 is the correct answer. Let us see the second problem. If A, B, C are angles such that tan A is equal to 1 by 2, tan B is equal to 1 by 5, tan C is equal to 1 by 8, then A plus B plus C is equal to, first option is pi by 4, second option is pi by 3, third option is pi by 6, fourth option is pi by 2. According to the given problem, first we have to find out the value of tan A plus B. Tan A plus B. We know that tan A plus B is tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A into tan B. Tan A into tan B. Given that tan A is 1 by 2, tan B is 1 by 5. We can substitute tan A as 1 by 2 plus tan B as 1 by 5 whole divided by 1 minus 1 by 2 into 1 by 5. That is equal to, taking LCMs in the numerator and denominator, we get the numerator is 7 by 10 and the denominator is 9 by 10. Here 10 get cancelled, we have 7 by 9. Here tan A plus B is 7 by 9. Now let us consider the value of tan A plus B plus C. Tan of A plus B plus C. Treat A plus B as A, C as B. Here it is in the form of tan A plus B. According to the formula, tan A plus B is tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A tan B. Here we have tan of A plus B plus tan C by 1 minus tan of A plus B into tan C. That equal to, we have tan A plus B is 7 by 9 plus, given that the value of tan C is 1 by 8 whole divided by 1 minus 7 by 9 into 1 by 8. Taking LCMs in the numerator and denominator, we get numerator LCM is 72, 7 into 8, 56 plus 9 whole divided by, denominator LCM is 72, here 72 minus 7. 72 get cancelled, then we have 56 plus 9 is 65 by 72 minus 7 is 65, that is equal to 1. Here we have tan of A plus B plus C is equal to 1, hence A plus B plus C is equal to pi by 4. Pi by 4. Here the first option, pi by 4 is the correct answer. Let us see the next problem. If cos x by cos y is equal to 2 and cos of x minus y is equal to root 3 by 2, then tan y is equal to. Here the options are, first option is root 3 minus 2, second option is 4 minus root 3, third option is 2 minus root 3, fourth option is root 3 minus 4. According to the given problem, given that cos x by cos y is equal to 2. By cross multiply, we have cos x is equal to 2 cos y. Treat it as equation 1. In the given problem, also given that cos of x minus y is equal to root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2. Here cos x minus y is equal to root 3 by 2 is cos 30 degrees. By equating we get x minus y is equal to 30 degrees and x is equal to 30 degrees plus y. Substituting x is equal to 30 plus y in equation 1 we get cos of 30 degrees plus y is equal to 2 cos y equal to 2 cos y. Here it is in the form cos of a plus b. We know that cos of a plus b is cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. According to the formula, cos 30 cos y minus sin 30 sin y is equal to 2 cos y. Here cos 30 is root 3 by 2 into cos y minus sin 30 is 1 by 2 sin y is equal to 2 into cos y. Taking a LCM and cross multiplying we get root 3 cos y minus sin y is equal to 4 into cos y. Taking it into left hand side and this into right hand side we get root 3 cos y minus 4 cos y is equal to sin y. Taking cos y common from these two terms we get root 3 minus 4 into cos y is equal to sin y. Changing it into RHS side, root 3 minus 4 is equal to sin y by cos y. Then we have sin y by cos y is tan y, that is tan y is equal to root 3 minus 4. Here the fourth option, root 3 minus 4 is the correct answer. Let us see the next problem. If tan beta is equal to n tan alpha by 1 plus 1 minus n into tan square alpha, then tan of alpha minus beta is equal to, first option is 1 plus n tan alpha, second option is 1 minus n tan alpha, third option is minus of 1 plus n tan alpha, fourth option is minus of 1 minus n tan alpha. Here in this problem we are going to find out the value of tan alpha minus beta. Let us take tan alpha minus beta. According to the formula tan A minus B, we can expand like this: tan alpha minus tan beta by 1 plus tan alpha into tan beta. Here, according to the given problem, the value of tan beta is n tan alpha by 1 plus 1 minus n tan square alpha. Then we can substitute tan alpha minus n tan alpha by 1 plus 1 minus n into tan square alpha. Tan square alpha whole divided by 1 plus tan alpha into n tan alpha by 1 plus 1 minus n into tan square alpha. Taking LCM in the numerator and denominator, then LCM get cancelled. Then we have tan alpha into 1 plus 1 minus n tan square alpha minus n tan alpha whole divided by whole divided by 1 plus 1 minus n tan square alpha plus tan alpha into n tan alpha. Tan alpha into n tan alpha. By multiplying tan alpha, we get tan alpha plus 1 minus n tan cube alpha minus n tan alpha whole divided by 1 plus 1 minus n tan square alpha plus n tan square alpha. N tan square alpha. Here these two terms tan alpha common. Take tan alpha common from these two terms. We get tan alpha into 1 minus n, that is 1 minus n tan alpha plus 1 minus n tan cube alpha whole divided by 1 plus 1 minus n tan square alpha. We can multiply tan square alpha to the bracket 1 minus n tan square alpha minus n tan square alpha plus n tan square alpha. N tan square alpha. Here n tan square alpha get cancelled. That is equal to, in the numerator part, 1 minus n into tan alpha common, 1 minus n tan alpha into 1 plus tan square alpha whole divided by 1 plus tan square alpha. Here 1 plus tan square alpha get cancelled. That is equal to 1 minus n tan alpha. Here tan alpha minus beta. Here tan alpha minus beta is 1 minus n tan alpha. Here in the second option 1 minus tan alpha is the correct answer. Let us see the next problem. The value of tan alpha minus beta plus tan beta minus gamma plus tan gamma minus alpha is equal to, the first option is 0, second option is minus of tan alpha minus beta into tan beta minus gamma into tan gamma minus alpha, third option is infinity, fourth option is tan alpha minus beta into tan beta minus gamma into tan gamma minus alpha. According to this problem, we have to consider alpha minus beta plus beta minus gamma plus gamma minus alpha is equal to 0 degrees. Move it into right hand side. Alpha minus beta plus beta minus gamma is equal to minus of gamma minus alpha. Here apply tan on both sides. We have tan of alpha minus beta plus beta minus gamma is equal to tan of minus of gamma minus alpha. Here it is in the form of tan A plus B. According to the formula tan A plus B, we have tan of alpha minus beta plus tan of beta minus gamma whole divided by 1 minus tan of alpha minus beta into tan beta minus gamma, that is equal to, here RHS is in the form of tan of minus theta. We know that tan of minus theta is minus of tan theta, that is minus of tan gamma minus alpha. Here by cross multiplying we get tan of alpha minus beta plus tan beta minus gamma is equal to minus of tan gamma minus alpha into 1 minus tan of alpha minus beta into tan beta minus gamma. Now tan alpha minus beta plus tan beta minus gamma is equal to, by multiplying tan gamma minus alpha in these two terms, minus tan gamma minus alpha plus of tan alpha minus beta into tan beta minus gamma into tan gamma minus alpha. Here tan gamma minus alpha, move it into left hand side, we get tan of alpha minus beta plus tan beta minus gamma plus tan gamma minus alpha is equal to tan of alpha minus beta into tan beta minus gamma into tan gamma minus alpha. Here the fourth option, tan alpha minus beta into tan beta minus gamma into tan gamma minus alpha, is the correct answer.